Hi, in today's video I'm going to present you an updated version of an older file we have built. It is an Excel template and Google Sheet template for your daily tasks, even if they are your personal tasks, work-related tasks, or I don't know, family-related tasks. This is very easy to use, in my opinion. I saw multiple files over there, but uh, as a fact, I think this is the most easiest because you have just one place to record, to log every task, every note for yourself, and in that single place, you are able to follow if everything has been completed in time or not. This is built. Just with 5 tabs. You have a dashboard tab. Basically, this is split it in 2 halves. You have a place where you log in or record every note for yourself, every task for you or anyone else, and above a summary of everything you have recorded. You have a calendar view from where you can change the year and the month, and it will display you all the tasks based on every day for that month. The calendar is automatically updated. You have one very important tab, a weekly view, where the week is automatically updated for the current week with the highlight for today and the highlight for the weekends or public or non-working days in case you record such days in your settings tab. You have a print tab, and this is a very important update because it will allow you to filter all the tabs daily, and you can print it and give it to the person you are following the tabs for. And one of the fancy, you have a settings tab from where you can customize your template based on every need you have. So let me present you every tab and show you how you can customize it for your needs. Let's start with the settings tab. In the settings tab, you have the option to record up to 100 public holidays or non-working days. You record the dates in here for every public holiday or non-working day, and in the next to it you have the option to record the holiday name in case this is a holiday name and not just a non-working day. You have the option to record the status, to customize the status for your task, for your tasks. So you have the option to change this, but in this particular case for the Google Sheets, leave these two red notes as it is and do not update it. You have the option to change the name. You have the option to update the icon for that specific title. On other side, you have the option to record up to 10 categories for your tasks. So just change the name, select the icon for that, and everything will be automatically updated through the entire template. You have also the option to customize the list of your priority categories, same as the work related categories. So just change the name, change the icon if you wish, and if you want, and everything will be updated. Also, you have the option to build your list of responsible people for the tasks you are recording. In case it's not just for you, for your personal use, and you assign the tasks only for you, you have the option to record here up to 70 responsible people for the tasks you are recording. So in case you're using this for your office, you have the option to record by the name of your employee or your colleagues, assign any specific icons. You have here multiple icons, but the default list is built in here. If you work with Google Sheets, I suppose you already know how to update this drop down list. Okay, that is everything you can customize from the settings tab. Going back to the dashboard, you have the option to record here any tasks. Once you add here, a new line will be available, as you see here, for your next next tasks. So do not hurry to build the lines in here, because they will automatically be shown once you add a new tab. So you record every tab based on the status date, due date. You have the days left for the specific tab recorded in the Google Sheets. Because we cannot pass this with the protection activated, you will have to protect this column by your own, or be very careful to do not change the formula behind these cells. You select the status, you select the category, priority, and responsible, and these lists will be automatically updated based on the customization you have done in the settings tab. So if I add one here for me, okay, you will see that this new responsible, but let me, for me here, you will see that this responsible will automatically be available for use in the drop-down list. So just customize everything as you need, and the updates will be available to the entire file. So you record everything in here. In the top section, in the top half section, you have this small dashboard where everything will be presented to you. So you have to do tasks for today, and you see we have one here, October 5, 2025, and a due date is here, October 5, 2025. So it is shown in the dashboard as we have one due task for today. Once I have completed, to say so, I will mark it as completed. You see we have none, and I will check the date when I completed this. So I have completed this in October 5, 2025, and now you see that I have 0 tasks for today and 1 completed, and the percent 100%. So I had 1 for today and I have completed 1. So the task for percent for today is 100%. So I have completed all my tasks today. Overdue for today, I have 16 tasks or to do things for today, based on the past, on the history, to say so. So I have 16 tasks uncompleted, and this is showing me that until today I have not completed 16 tasks, and these are breakdown by priorities, and it's showing me again that I have completed 1 from all 16, which is 6%. If I continue to mark, let me give you an example. Let's take this one. I'll mark it as completed, and also I have completed today. We see that we have 2 tasks completed for today. Further, in the coming task, we have a list of how many tasks we have scheduled for the next days. So it's not counting the 2 days, but only for tomorrow and forward. So we have 1 task that is following, and it is a family category related tasks with a priority of medium. And on the right side, all time tasks, we have 25 tasks recorded into this file. 2 has been completed, cancelled, 7 completed, and the remaining are 16 tasks. Okay, further in the next tab we have the calendar view, and we have the option to select the month, select the year, and for example let's go in May. And once I have selected May 2025, I see all the tasks related in that calendar for every day for that month. If I want to switch, right now the view is set it up for the start date. If I want to see, I can change it for the due date, and everything will be updated based on the due date. Let's change to October, and we have by the due date, and we have in 60 October a task number 12 with a medium priority. Okay, and the due date is 60 October as you see in here. If I want to change the view by the start date, when I have logged in the tasks, I have none, because the task has been marked as completed. If I change let me change 1 to do the status and go back in the calendar view, we have on October 5, I have created this task with medium priority due on the October 5. Okay, if I change it for due date on October 6th and I'm going back, I see this is this task has been logged in October 5, as you see here, October 5, and I'm previewing it by start date. If I'm going to preview it by due date, we'll see that this task will pop up in 6th October by the due date, and I will also have a new task due date with due date on October 16. Okay, and this is the counter based on the filter and the breakdown chart based on the priorities. Further, in the weekly view, I have the weekly automatically displayed based on the current week, so you don't have to do anything in here. Just come in this tab and it will always show you all the tabs you have logged in the dashboard for the current week. So I have one logged in here for the current week in October 5th, 5 October, and this is the tasks I have logged in 5 October 5. So you don't have to do anything. It will always highlight you the today's date to guide you easily to the week's day, and it will always highlight you the holidays or the non-working days if you recorded something in the settings. So let me change this. This is the 8th, this is the 9 October, now the 9 October, and you always see the today's date and non-working or public holidays. Okay, in the print tasks you have I think this is very helpful for anyone of us, because this is helpful for me also, but any one of you will also be very helpful. Why? Because based on the date you select here, it will display you all the tasks. So let's presume you are in the office and you want to see, let's record the today's date. Let's go in October 5th. We have 0 tasks for today assigned. This is based on the due date, as you see here. Let's go to the 6th October and we see if we presume that today is October 6th, we see that we have a due task for today. Okay, further we have the option to select everything by responsible. When we have selected no in here, it means that we are filtering all the responsible. If I want to preview only the task for one person, we have the option to filter this down. But since for October 6th I have just one task recorded, let me go back in, let me see where I have multiple tasks. As I see May 21, let me go into the print and go back to May 21. Okay, and let's see, I want to see all the tasks for May 21 with the due date on May 21, and I see I have 5 tasks. So very easy, I could print this and I have on paper all the tasks that are due today. If I want to go forward and I want to print only the tasks for some colleagues or for someone from my family or for myself, I can very easily select here the select yes. I want to preview it by responsible, and I want to preview for my son, and I want to print this a list of tasks for my son to pass to him, to give to him, and be aware of what tasks he has to complete today. Very easily I can filter it and print it and give it to my son, and he will be aware of all the tasks he must complete today. If I want to see for someone else, for my son for example, for my wife or for me, I can very easily print it and I can see what tasks are overdue today. For example, if I want to see all the tasks that are overdue for today, I can select here, yes, I want to see all ongoing and overdue tasks since today. So I see that all the tasks recorded here, 6, are overdue, not only by today's date, but all the tasks. As you see, this is due on May 22. This is in September 29 because today's date is October 5, and this will list me all the dates, all the tasks that are overdue by today. This is what this is doing. If I want to see for my son all the overdue tasks, I just change for my son. If I want to see for my wife, he has 4 overdue all the time, all time recorded until the today's date. Okay, if I want to do to filter everything based on the date selected here, just select see here. No, I don't want to see all overdue tasks until the today's date, but only for the date I have recorded in here. Okay, so this is very handy. I think you can print everything for any employee, for any colleague, for any member of your family, or for yourself. You can print it daily to somehow help you to fix or do all the tasks you have recorded in here, and everything is just controlled from a single place. Only from here you record the task and you mark it when it is completed or not, and everything else is done completely automatically for you. And you don't have to handle multiple sheets, multiple tabs to say so, multiple worksheets. You just have one place, one centralized place where you record the task and you mark it completed or not. And every stats, every warning is automatically done for you. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. If you have any other questions, please just drop a message, and we'll take care that this file will meet any requests. Thank you. Have a good day.